for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use my laptop instead of a data collector out in the field. So this is an unregistered version. Every once in a while it's going to pop up unregistered. I don't use it for actual work. It's just for demonstration, educational purposes only. So to create a new job, you can go under data, project, click the name at new, unclick that, and we're just going to call it new project. Okay, click OK. It's shown it is OK. New project to be current project, yes. So now this is an empty project, brand new, has nothing in it. So to enter control points, if you're given control points by a surveyor, engineering, whatever, you go under data, control, and then you would add your control points. CP1, okay, whatever the northern easting elevation is, okay, whatever. You have to read them off, make sure they're right, click OK. Once you have your list in there, then you're ready to get started on localization. I'm going to go to an actual project that's been localized so you can see what. So once you have your control loaded, it'll look like that, but I don't have GPS information. What you'll do is you'll just launch your base over, depending on your version of Pocket3d, set up base station. You can do under a unknown point, and click next. And then this doesn't matter, so you could leave it at 0 height because you're not actually measuring your unknown point. You're going to be measuring your control points. Next. Greater type, fine, whatever. And then this asks you what type of stylus you want to use. If you have the option, click them all, except for COAP tracking. Then you would find your receiver. I'm going to say base, click OK. It's gonna, if it's available, it'll connect. I shouldn't have done this. I should just say cancel. Now it's coming for the, okay. Nope. Okay. Can't connect because it's not available. What I'll say is ready to connect, finish, hit finish. It'll find it. And then it'll say base station started. Okay. Then you would connect to your rover. Find your rover in your list. Either hit refresh or find. Select it. Then hit OK. I'm not going to do it because it'll freeze up. Hit cancel. Or hit OK. Damn it. Once it finds it, it'll go green in this corner. Once you connect to your rover, you should end up with a green emblem over here showing that it's good. All right. And then what you can do, if you're going to localize a point, you walk to a point, go under data, control points, select the point, hit edit, bubble your rod up over your point so that it's plumb, go to your GPS tab, hit measure. Once it counts down and is done measuring, it'll end up looking green. It'll go green as long as you have selected these points. It will then go green and it will look like that. Once you have them all measured, then your job is localized, and then your unit will know where you're at on the job. I would recommend having a fixed pole location that you're going to measure as your base going forward if this is going to be a continuing project.